Hey there, and welcome to October's edition of the Bville Buzz. Now, October is one of my favorite months. I love Halloween, so I figured why not start off by getting into my new Halloween costume. Pretty cool. Now let's see if it actually works. Wow, this is just so neat. Well, let's go see if we can find Mike, the rec supervisor. Oh, there he is. Let's sneak up.
Todd? Todd? You around here?
Yeah,
Hey Todd, what are you doing?
Just kind of trying to get set up for Monster Mash right now.
I can see that. Don't you think it's a little big?
Bigger's always better for Monster Mash, wouldn't you say?
I guess. I can't wait to see this when this is all done. I'm gonna go check on Lisa.
All right.
Hey Lisa.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm just getting our glow-in-the-dark room ready for Monster Mash.
Oh, this is great. Is this new this year?
Yeah, this year we're going to cover this whole ceiling in floating candles.
I love it. I can't wait to see what this room looks like. Keep up the good work.
I think it's time for me to get back to my studio now. Let's go. Whoa, now that was the best costume I think I've ever purchased. This is pretty cool. But I guess it's time to get back to my normal self. You have found out a lot about Monster Mash, and I'm excited you did, and I found out a lot about it too. But we also have some other activities going on in October. It is sadly our last Eco Days on October 9th. It will be held at Fischer Farm from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's going to be just as fun as the rest of them, except this time you can make Halloween masks, pet the goats, and just have a lot of fun with donuts and cider. So you're going to love it. We also have another fun event that's fun for the whole family. It's called Scarecrow Scare Show. Yes, it's back. We did it last year and it was a hit, so we brought it back this year. It's pretty fun because most of the part you can just do from home and you can use your creativity to figure out your masterpiece scarecrow. So please pre-register, and you're allowed to pick up your kits on October 18th, and judging won't happen until October 29th. So you've got some time to get creative and think about what you want to do with that. For our next event, I'm going to ask you two questions. Do you like dancing, and do you like Halloween parties? I would say yes to both of those. And if you said yes too, then you should come to our Halloween Zumba party. It's going to be fantastic, it's going to be fun, Halloween costume contests, prizes, and the best is that you get to Zumba. So it will be on October 22nd from 6 to 7 p.m. right here at the DGLC. And our next event that you know so much about is Monster Mash, which don't tell everyone you know all the secrets behind it. So Monster Mash will be on Saturday, October 23rd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And as you have secretly seen, it's going to be a blast. We're going to have bouncy houses. We're going to have carnival games. It's going to be so much fun, and a ton of photo opportunities, so you won't want to miss it. It's free for everyone, so why not stop on by? I know it's still October and you're not even thinking about the holiday season yet, but I had to give you a little heads up on two pretty big events that we're having. Farmside Christmas is back, and so is Santa Claus is coming to town. And registration actually begins November 9th, so I just wanted to give you a heads up so you can prepare for that. We also have a Veterans Day breakfast coming up on Thursday, November 11th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And I just wanted to give a special shout out and thanks to all of our vets who have served us, and you are welcome. It's a free complimentary breakfast for everything that you have done for us. That's it for my October Bville Buzz. I hope to see you in November, and until then, I hope to see you at our events. Bye!